Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner, where we explore the latest trends and developments in education. In today's video, we will be discussing the framework for 21st century learning skills. Before we delve into the specifics, let's define what 21st century learning skills are. It refers to a set of skills and competencies that enable individuals to thrive in the modern world. These skills go beyond traditional academic knowledge and encompass abilities that are essential for success in the digital age. In the 21st century learning skills framework, also called P21 Framework, was meticulously developed with input from educators, education experts, and business leaders. Let's discuss the components of this framework. In the 21st century learning skills framework, the key subjects, 3 R's, refer to the foundational academic subjects that students need to master. The 3 R's stands for reading, writing, and arithmetic, which are considered fundamental skills in education. These subjects provide the basis for developing essential literacy and numeracy skills that are crucial for success in various academic disciplines and real-world contexts. Key subjects encompass English, reading or language arts, world languages, arts, mathematics, economics, science, geography, history, government, and civics. Let's move to the 4 C's. The 4 C's in terms of 21st century learning skills framework refers to the 4 essential learning and innovation skills that are considered crucial for students to succeed in today's world. These skills are critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication. Critical thinking involves analyzing information, evaluating evidence, and making reasoned judgments. Creativity is the ability to think imaginatively, generate new ideas, and approach challenges from different perspectives. It involves originality, flexibility, and willingness to take risks. Collaboration refers to the ability to work effectively with others in a team or group settings. It involves communication, active listening, cooperation, and the ability to contribute to a shared goal. Whereas communication is the skill of effectively conveying ideas, thoughts, and information to others. It includes verbal, non-verbal, and written communication, as well as active listening and understanding different perspectives. In our technology and media-driven world, it is crucial for students to develop information, media, and technology skills. This entails being able to navigate the abundance of information, adapt to rapid change in technology tools, and collaborate effectively. Information literacy, media literacy, and ICT literacy are key components of these skills. Finally, we cannot overlook the importance of life and career skills. In order to navigate the complexities of life and work, students need to develop thinking skills, content knowledge, and social and emotional competencies. These essential skills, including flexibility and adaptability, initiative and self-direction, social and cross-cultural skills, productivity and accountability, as well as leadership and responsibility. And there you have it, the comprehensive framework for 21st century learning skills. By incorporating these components into education, we can ensure that our students are well equipped to thrive in an ever-evolving world. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.